Hello and welcome back to the Wedding School. I'm so excited to tell you about an initiative which we have introduced, and it's called a School in Session. So I think with COVID and our big pause with weddings taught us that you need to be a little bit more thrifty, and do-it-yourself projects are definitely back on. So we thought we would teach you our biggest styling and also planning hacks in some bite-sized videos. Now these videos will consist of all sorts of things, from napkin treatments to your tablescape, to creating your own bouquet and a buttonhole and even a centerpiece. We'll also be looking at, the planning side of things, like helping you along the way with your budget, picking your venue, and also pulling together your run sheet. Now, to kick off this series, we are talking about, or we are showing you rather, a video all about napkin treatments. And when I say napkin treatments, I mean the way we fold the napkin. Now, this is really an important part of all our styling proposals. We always like to have a unique napkin fold because it's such a simple way to lift your tablescape. So in this video, I'm going to show you our top 5 napkin folds that we love to use in our wedding.